This is my final recipe from this kitchen, and today we're making achari chicken. Horns up and welcome to this Headbangers kitchen for the last time, because as you guys know, I'm moving house and I'm going away from this place. So this is my last video in this kitchen, and well, we had to cook chicken. We're making achari chicken. This is my series called Meat India, where I take you across the many states of India, showcasing the best meat and seafood this country has to offer. And today we're going to the state of Punjab and we're making a dish called achari chicken. Now achar means pickle, so this is a chicken dish that is made using the achari or pickling spices. It's a delicious, flavorful chicken curry, and as far as I know it comes from Punjab, but in case I'm wrong, don't hesitate to correct me. Anyway, for the last time, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. For the last time in this kitchen, we're going to start by making the achari masala for the chicken. We start by adding 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of nigella seeds, and half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Then we blend those in the blender, but just pulse it as we want a coarse powder, not a fine one. You can also use a mortar and pestle. Once that's done, our achari masala is ready to use. Now we're going to marinate the chicken, and I'm using about 900 grams of a curry cut chicken. You can also use drums and thighs on the bone, no problem. We start by seasoning the chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 4 tablespoons of yogurt, probably a bit more, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and half of the achari masala that we made. And then I mix it after putting on my sexy black glove, which is optional. Just use your bare hands at home, and then it goes into the fridge to marinate for at least an hour or 2. Now you want to get some extra large green chilies, which are generally used to make pickles. If you live somewhere that you can't get these, then a fresh jalapeno or a large green chili will do. I cut down the middle, and obviously I'm wearing black gloves because I'm a spice wuss. Anyway, I split them down the middle, and then I get some chaat masala, which is a tangy Indian spice mix, and I stuff the chilies with that masala. So just slit the chilies and stuff them, and then they are ready. Now I get my kadai on the stove, which I'm using for the last time because it's not induction friendly, and I'm moving to a new house soon. I heat up some bacon fat, but I'm going to tell you it's mustard oil because that's what's normally used, and you can't tell the difference, can you? And then I just fry the chilies in that oil and get them nice and blistered, and once they are nicely cooked like this, remove them from the pan. Into that oil I will add 2 dried Kashmiri red chilies, some chopped onion, and now I just saute it till the onions become nice and translucent. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes, after which you add in the chicken. Turn up the heat and give it a good saute before adding in some tomato puree, Kashmiri red chili powder, and some water, and then give it all a good mix. I add some more water and cover it and cook for 8 to 10 minutes, and then open it up and it should be cooking nicely. I add those chilies in, and then I add 1 tablespoon of mango pickle. That's the secret to getting it really achari. Then cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Once that's done, the chicken should be nice and tender and fully cooked. You can reduce it down if you want it less saucy, but this is the perfect consistency for me. I finish it with some fresh coriander, and our achari murg or achari chicken is ready. Now I just serve it up and it's good to go. Eat it with some jeera rice. Click on the I button to get my recipe for jeera rice, and now I got to give you that front camera shot. And of course I'm going to bite into that chicken leg because that's my favorite part of the chicken. What's yours? Anyway, it's delicious and perfectly cooked. Let's taste officially now. Alright, let's taste that achari chicken. I'll be honest guys, most Indians eat dal and rice with pickles, achar. So dal, chawal and achar. It's a thing in India. People love achar. I've never liked it. I've never been a fan growing up. I don't like it as an adult. But you know what? I love this chicken. It is really delicious, really flavorful, and I might need to give achar another chance. But here I am alone now. Final time in this kitchen. And I will see you again next week, same time, same place, on the internet, on YouTube, but in a different kitchen. And till the next one, Cheers and keep cooking. That's good. That's some good chicken. And a big thank you to all my supporters on Patreon and on the YouTube channel memberships. You are all awesome. And you guys know I'm a spice wuss, but just for you, I'm a bite into this chili. That is quite tasty. Not very spicy. It is a little spicy. I can feel some burning on my lips. But it's not like deathly spice. Not bad. Are you a spice wuss? Or do you love your spice? Anyway, I think I'm spicy enough. I don't need extra chilies. Bye-bye.